The Food and Drug Administration says it is removing safety warnings for many hormone therapy drugs prescribed to ease symptoms of menopause and perimenopause. This applies to medications containing estrogen and progesterone, including pills, creams, and other therapies. The black box labels warn that these products could increase the risk of breast cancer, dementia, heart attack, and strokes. But in an exclusive interview with CBS News, FDA Commissioner Dr. Marty Makary tells our Nora O'Donnell why a previous study that supported those warnings is wrong.
There was no statistical significance, and no subsequent clinical trial has ever shown an increase in breast cancer mortality. And look at the long-term health benefits, the reduction in cognitive decline, in heart attacks, in bone fractures, in other conditions, including cancer and diabetes that have been suggested in some studies. They often are not aware of those studies.
For more, let's bring in Dr. Erika Schwartz. She is the founder of the Evolved Science Medical Group in New York City and the author of Don't Let Your Doctor Kill You. Doctor, thank you for being here. So the FDA's removal of the black box warnings is expected to lead to more women seeking this type of treatment. What exactly does this hormone therapy do?
It actually prevents Alzheimer's. It prevents cancer. It prevents osteoporosis. It supports cardiovascular, anti-cardiovascular disease. What it does is it keeps women healthy longer. So this has been a nightmare for women, and it's been 23 years in coming that original study from 2002 has been overtaken now by the reality that what the FDA did was not right.
And in the interview, Dr. Makary referenced a study that underscored the initial decision to put these warnings on. He essentially said it contributed to the sort of fear machine. What did that study say, and why don't medical experts believe it's accurate now?
Well, we've known that it's inaccurate for at least 23 years. And what that study said was they looked at women who were more than 10 years past menopause, and they had pre-existing conditions. They had diabetes, they were smokers, they had all kinds of issues. And these women, supposedly, the study was also conducted on non-bioidentical or human-identical hormones, which are completely different than the hormones that women need to keep them healthy. So that study was flawed from the beginning, like Dr. Makary said, and it's been an uphill battle to actually change what the FDA did by putting the black box warning and putting millions of women in a really bad place where they actually suffered when they really don't have to suffer.
I have to be quick with you, but doctor, is this going to make a big difference in the lives of your patients?
Yeah, well, my patients all are on hormones for the past 25 years. So it'll make a very big difference if we train more doctors, if the women take control of their responsibility of their own health, and if they stop reacting with fear to a system that's broken.
Dr. Erika Schwartz, thank you for your time.
Thank you.